Welcome back, traders. Happy to have you here today. In this video, I'll show you how to use the all-time high ATH levels indicator to detect market trade opportunities. The all-time high ATH levels indicator displays a user set amount of historical all-time high levels on the user's chart, highlighting potential key price levels. The indicator also evaluates a level's role as a support or resistance using a percentage, classifying ATH levels as either support or resistance, depending on the result. On certain assets, market participants give a high level of attention to all-time highs made by an asset, with the most pertinent example being Bitcoin. Previous all-time highs can play important roles as psychological price levels, with the most recent ones often offering major resistance points and older ones being used as support. Now, to find the indicator, search for the keyword all-time high ATH levels by LuxAlgo. Before we dive into trading strategies, let's check out these indicator settings on the TradingView platform. Here's how to do it. Place your mouse on the indicator and right-click. Navigate to select the settings option. Under the all-time high ATH settings, there are the Show Last ATH. Specify the amount of most recent ATHs to display. ATH minimum duration. Minimum duration in bars of an ATH. That is the minimum number of bars that must elapse before another ATH can be made. Users can filter out temporary ATHs using the ATH minimum duration setting, removing any ATH that lasts less than the user's specified number of bars. Higher values of this setting effectively preserve ATHs that become distinguishable peaks. These can offer more significant support resistance levels. Minimum distance between ATH. Minimum distance between displayed ATH levels starting from the most recent ATH. This distance is a multiple of the average true range. When displaying each historical level, some of them can be very close to each other. Users can use the minimum distance between ATH setting to filter out levels too close to each other, with higher values of this setting returning more spaced levels. Distances are first evaluated from the most recent ATH. Note that this setting can cause repainting. SR classification. Show SR percentage. Show percentage as well as ATH level classification. Minimum percentage. Minimum percentage values required to display an ATH level. The indicator evaluates the ability of an ATH level to act as a support or resistance since its occurrence, and measures its strength as a percentage, with higher percentage values suggesting a stronger support or resistance. Levels classified with R suggest that the price was located below the level most of the time, indicative of resistance, while a level classified with S suggests that the price was located above the level most of the time, indicative of support. Percentages between 99% to 50% are often indicative of supports, resistances being tested, while values below 50% reflect more centered levels. A value of 100% suggests that an ATH level was not tested enough. Users can filter out any level with a percentage below the minimum percent setting. How does the all-time high ATH levels indicator work in the market? This indicator works on the concept of the support and resistance strategy. Therefore, to trade with this technical indicator, a trader must have an in-depth understanding of the support and resistance trading strategy and technical analysis. Support represents a price level where demand for an asset is strong enough to prevent it from falling further, while resistance denotes a level where selling pressure is sufficient to halt or reverse upward price movement. Support and resistance levels serve as psychological barriers on a trading chart. They reflect the collective actions and sentiments of market participants and can influence future price movements. Recognizing these levels can help traders anticipate potential reversals, breakouts, and areas of price consolidation. It's important to note that support and resistance levels are not static. They evolve over time as market dynamics change. A level that once acted as support may later become resistance, and vice versa. Traders must adapt their analysis to identify these shifts and adjust their trading strategies accordingly. We need not worry about updating these levels. The all-time high ATH levels indicator will automatically plot these levels for us whenever the price evolves as market dynamics change. The all-time high ATH levels indicator will identify support and resistance levels by analyzing historical price data. As we can see, these are significant price levels where the price has repeatedly reversed or stalled in the past. These levels often indicate areas of strong buying or selling interest. Remember, no trading indicator is infallible to the market. Therefore, it's essential to blend this indicator with other technical tools, such as pivot points and Fibonacci retracement levels, to identify reliable potential support and resistance zones plotted by the ATH level indicator. Pivot points are calculated based on previous high, low, and closing prices and can help identify key levels for intraday trading. Fibonacci retracement levels derived from the Fibonacci sequence are commonly used to identify potential reversal levels based on the ratio of a price move. Volume profile analysis can also assist in identifying each test of the support and resistance levels plotted by the ATH levels indicator. Volume on candlestick highlighting high and low liquidity that may act as support or resistance. In a bullish trend, once the price makes a bearish pullback to a support level plotted by the ATH levels indicator, traders look for signs of price rejection, such as bullish candlestick patterns or bullish continuation signals. Traders can anticipate a buy entry if there is a surge in bullish volume at the test of the support level. Stop loss will be placed lower than the support of the bullish volume candlestick. Whereas, in a bearish trend, once the price makes a bullish pullback to a resistance level plotted by the ATH levels indicator, traders look for signs of price rejection, such as bearish candlestick patterns or bearish continuation signals. Stop loss will be placed higher than the resistance of the bearish volume candlestick. Another trading strategy involving support and resistance levels is breakout trading. Breakouts occur when the price breaches a significant support or resistance level, indicating a potential continuation of the trend or the start of a new trend. Traders can enter trades in the direction of the breakout with appropriate risk management measures in place to mitigate potential losses.